Hi everyone, this is Sherry and Riho. I'm today reviewing the Lasko model 751320 ceramic space heater. I've reviewed another one of these before. I've owned three. This one I bought almost a year ago, and I was actually really disappointed by it and was going to send it back, and procrastinated as is my wont, and so I didn't get it sent back. But I ended up getting used to it. Not going to say it's my favorite. Don't think I would buy another one. But, you know, I figured out a little bit more how to use it. So here's how it works. Power button, of course. You turn it on, as with most of them. You press it once, you get high. So you see it says high here. You press it another time, it goes to low. This one only has 5-degree increments from 60 to 85. So what I normally do is I go power on, which puts it to max, then I go temp, which pops it down to 75. I don't know why, maybe that's the most popular temperature or something, but that usually works for me. And then I turn the oscillation on, which starts the back and forth. I don't find that this oscillates as smoothly as either of the ones that I've had. And then there's the timer, and you can set it for 1, 2, or 4 hours. Kind of random. The other ones I have, you can set it, I think it's also maxes out at 4 hours, but you can set it at 1, 2, or 3. 1, 2, 3, or 4 rather. It does have the grab handle in the back, which, as I complained about in my last Lasko review, for me, even with small hands, is not adequate. If I pick it up, I have to use 2 hands. Otherwise, I just can't pick it up safely and move it. Perhaps if you had big guy hands, you could put it behind here and then grasp it here, but my hands are too small and the heater is too heavy for me to see. I can't even get it off the ground that way. So I just find it less than ideal. I really do not like this temperature, thing of every 5 degrees. If, for example, here's the thing that really annoys me. If, for example, I set it on 75, which is kind of my usual, and then 75 gets to be too hot. So then I hit the temp button. I got to go all the way to max and cycle back around to get to 70. There's no way for me to go backwards to 70, at least not that I have found. So here we go. If I want to try to get to 70, I got to go up to 80, 85, back down to 65. Oh, then it goes to max, which I'm not sure what the max degree is. I have to look at the book. Then it goes down to 65. Sorry, 60, 65, 70, 75. So I have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beeps to be able to get one step back from 75 to 70. I found that really annoying. As you can see, the heater has gone off. I had it set on 70 on automatic, and so it went off when it reached 70. Now, again, the other weakness that this has is that all the other ones I've owned, and most of the ones I've seen, have a window where you can see the temperature of the room. I find that actually very helpful for the one in my bathroom. But this one has no window. So all you see while it's shut itself off is the fact that it must be warmer than 70 because it's shut off. And then it'll turn itself back on and bring the temperature back up to 70. But I don't know, I guess it's just because, I guess if you started with this, it wouldn't be so annoying, but since I started with the ones that have the window here that show the actual temperature in the room, and then I went to this afterwards, I guess that's maybe partly why it was a little more difficult for me to get used to. Otherwise, in terms of the body, is very similar. It's got similar kind of grates, and the head is a bit different, the shape, but because usually it's a little more squared off to allow for that window that's got the temperature in it. But otherwise it's about the same shape, height, weight circumference that most of the other ones I've had are. I've had this a year. So far so good. It's taken a couple tumbles and still been okay. So I hope that has been helpful. Sherry Enrijo signing off.